Good, good morning. Welcome home to Mailer's Landing. I'm Sue. This is Megan. Rain is back there getting breakfast. And this is... Oh, yeah. So we're here in Growing Down 6B in New England, and it is gross out, and it is still winter. So we're going to destruct the kitchen. I have a kitchen that is in much need of some rearrangement and some reorganization because, it is not user-friendly as I would like it to be. Although we've gotten closer this year, right?
Yes, absolutely.
So let me show you some of the problem spots, and then we'll start pulling stuff out and squaring it away.
I already started.
I
Sorry.
know.
Sorry.
Let me show them what you did.
Thank you.
All right, cool. Look at this beautiful clean drawer. The reason it is clean is because Megan has put it all in the laundry baskets. There's some sharp and pointies, some paper goods, and some stuff that we don't know what it is. This is my favorite part. We've got a blank canvas to work with, but we've got a bunch of stuff that we got to organize. So let's see what's going on here. I picked up some containery stuff. Okay, that was not the desired effect.
No, it was fine. No, seriously, why? Why do they do this? Do we need to, like, lube it?
She got them apart. Soap. So we've got everything out of this drawer. We organized the drawer underneath it and scavenged these, which actually fit in the drawers, as opposed to the ones that Megan was pulling apart, which fit in the drawer below it. So hot. There's a lot of stuff here to organize. We're gonna do this. Maybe we'll do, should we do a stop mo?
Montage!
All right. Pointy. All right, pointy thing. Cookie cutters could be pointy.
The cheese! Big things that you don't really use much.
Some kitchen twine. Can go here. Okay, and now.
Oh,
So they're no good anymore. Yeah, all right, there we go. They're situational. These guys have to go, otherwise it doesn't close, so I'm gonna put these in the bottom. So that problematic little spot is done. And we cleared out a bunch of space, so hopefully we'll be able to keep moving stuff around. Next problem spot is this hidey hole over here. This is a lot of bulk goods, or I bought an extra one, haven't opened it yet. One of the things that tends to happen around here is that items pool and then they get put away together, but I'm coming to an understanding that in the places that these items pool, that's probably where they should live. Because just naturally and organically, that's where things are ending up. All right, this is mostly spices and coffee. Okay, so here's the after. Woohoo! We regained a little bit of space, but mostly we just regained some order so that things can actually be found. Ooh, hello, friend.
Hi.
It is break time. When we come back, we're gonna hit up that tall pantry over there. That one. Then there's this. This has become a terrible collection of things with zero organization.
Montage!
I don't even know where to start. I cannot believe that everything that's in there is in there.
Bacon.
Oh, I think this sake is really old. Oh, which is fine because it's not open. In my own defense, every one of these were purchased for something. It's just some of them might have been purchased twice. I'm gonna see if there are any of these I can part with, and any of them that are just junk. Pray for me. Perfect! Thank you. Woo-woo! All right. So oils here, because I would have had a stack of oils over here before, I don't want that anymore. I found my key. Oh, I'm so happy for you. Look at that, right there.
Right there.
Well,
It can hide.
okay.
Right there.
All right, the agave can go,
You have a room for a few more.
okay. I really appreciate that you can reach the top. So this is our after. How nice. Can reach everything. And there's also a little bit of space behind this Lazy Susan should I need it for things. But yeah, this looks good. This looks good and organized. Hoorah. This is like one of those material goods books where they take the pictures of everything that you own, like you put it out. How did I get this?
Exactly.
Oh, careful there. Yeah, those are real heavy. Those two I got at a yard sale.
Yeah?
No, I got the top one at a yard sale. This one, Brenda Moosey gave me. This has had enough in this world. I have 3 lids and 2 pots.
9.
9. Okay.
They share.
Huh. There's Dot. Hi.
How you doing?
I'm okay. This is a lot and it feels great. Perfect.
Look at all the room.
Love it. And there's the after. Oh my God, Megan. I love you. I know. All right, so this is the next problem area. We are reclaiming space to move some of the stuff out of the IKEA racks. I don't know if we're gonna reclaim space here or not, but there's a good chance. So here we go. There's a lot of stuff in here. Oh, it's got both parts. Frost shield. Baking stuff.
Oh, oh, oh. You're doing a little T-Rex sounds. You did it.
Let's take a cake. So we've got this stuff. And we've got this stuff. Pray for me. She wants to move some stuff.
I want to move the cooking things next to the cooking appliances
So the pots and pans over here by the oven.
and stove, which
And
makes sense.
Okay. And then
The
the
Tupperware
Tupperware.
next to the fridge where it should live most of its time as well. There's a little less room, but that's okay. There's less room over here. There's more room over there.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, but that's okay because you don't need more room over here.
Right, here's the lids.
Lids. Hi.
Another pie pan over here.
Oh, fits perfectly right behind your lids.
Awesome. Right. Oh, more pie pans. So this should go with the pie pans. These I actually bake with.
But if I can at least
Yeah.
do that.
Look at this. It looks so good. It looks so good. All right. Does it fit? Okay, one of these we may want to leave out. All right, everything in here actually gets used constantly.
Yeah.
So this would not fit in.
Wait, it might have.
It might not have to. All right, let's see. All right, these. So much colander. These are actually berry boxes, and if you put your berries in them, they stay fresh longer. One of the reasons I have so many colanders is they get multi-purposed all over the place. Often they wind up being harvest baskets because I can just bring everything in and run it under the cold water or hit it up with the hose outside. So there's your tip for the day. These make great harvest baskets. And here's the after, or I guess the after. So we are finding space here. The trick of it all is going to be to not overfill these spaces that we've made. We already got a couple of things out of the IKEA rack. Megan got both the canning pots and the big silver pot into the bottom, and there's still room for the paper towels. It's pretty freaking great. I'm going to get these guys out of my window. And then what was the other plan? Oh, and Raina's Starbucks travel mugs, because everybody cleaned out their spaces like at the same time, and we went from having 0 travel mugs to having too many to fit on the thing. So Raina's got a couple extra. Now they've got homes. Oh, it's so good. This space looks nice and tidy, but the truth of the matter is nothing really fits on the bottom, and then behind and the top is a bunch of storage space, so I want to access that. Let's get everything out. Boo, I just found a whole bunch of books stacked up behind it. We're gonna have to mess with this a bit. I forgot about these potatoes over and over. Oh, more rice. Oh, everything in here is sprouting.
All the babies.
All the babies. All right, so they may be going back in the ground.
Let's do it.
To live again. These 3 onions. They're going in here. Taters and onions. I bought these with the express purpose of keeping them darkish. My friend, thank you. Took the cookbooks that I wasn't using on the regs and put them in the back. Dry goods both up and down. Big box with a cover for the potatoes. All in all, way more user-friendly. We did some reorganization, got that big pot up top. That big, beautiful silver pot that I love to look at is on top. There's more room for that plant. And we put the heavier items on the bottom. The bottom is a lot more firm than it was before. Hello.
Hi.
Oh, so Megan's gonna head home and pick up Kate.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to get my sweep and mop on. Oh, baby. January 3rd, 2023. Mark this down. The table is empty. I'm gonna put the chairs on top of it in a minute so that I can mop, but thank you for sharing that moment with me. So honestly, I'm not sure how much space we freed up, but we definitely have freed up a lot of the energy in here. It feels lighter. You can see, right now the island is in the hall over there in the living room. But it feels lighter. It feels a little more functional. Come, look. Okay, this is kind of exciting because it's gonna be clear for a minute, right? We did not get to the cups, but we did get the ones that were on the table ensorcelled in a good spot. Look at this. Clean trunk, heavy resources where they cannot hit me on the head. 3 beautifully organized drawers. All my cabinets are useful now. The bottom of the island is no longer overwhelmed. Pots and pans are closer to the oven. And now my favorite. Look at this beautiful place. Can find everything. Can get to everything, and there's space underneath for paper goods and seltzer. Hey. Megan and I spent a lot of time working on looking at where the action happens in the kitchen and what things need to be in those places. And again, they kept matching up with where those items pool. So we made those homes for the things. I guess what I want your takeaway from this to be is you can set up as many systems as you want to, but if they don't work for you, if they're inconvenient, they're not going to do you any favors. They're either going to trip you up or you're just going to bust it, you know, and not use the system. So I suppose what I'm trying to say is surrender. Your house is not a model home unless it's a model home, but it's probably not a model home. You are not living in a showroom. You're living in a place that you live, you do stuff. So, dude, get on your own team. Embrace the ebb and flow. Respect your tide pools. They're full of treasure. Put things where it works for you. That's really the only good rule. Put things where they work for you. So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for hanging out while Megan and I got this place revamped a little bit. I hope that your revamping project, your kitchen reorganization project goes as smoothly and that you have such good company. I'll catch you up soon. Take care.
Montage!
All right.